So all you do to get started is go to your WordPress dashboard and click on Add a New Plugin. Enter SumoMe in the search bar, click to install, activate it, and now all you're going to do is go up to the badge in the top right and go ahead and either sign in or sign up depending on what your needs are. Now this will take you directly to the home screen, and just go ahead and click on Sumo Store and you'll see all the different apps that are available to you. This is also where you can upgrade to all of the pro versions of each app. All of these are free to get started, free to use, and I highly recommend starting out. Download all 7 of these email and analytics apps. And that's a great way to get started growing your site, growing your traffic, getting more subscribers, and